I love apples. Went apple picking. Got a lot of beautiful, beautiful apples. I think there's about 7 cups here. The hardest thing with this recipe is peeling them and cutting them. Well, that's been done. Now I just have to add things, pop them in the toaster oven, and have a beautiful dessert. I just added 1/4 cup of raw sugar. You can use refined sugar. I like raw sugar. Sprinkling some cinnamon. I've added 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. No, you don't want to use the bottled lemon juice. Fresh is the way to go. This is probably about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Salt is important. It works well with the sugar. 3 tablespoons of flour. Wow. Into my baking dish. Now I'm going to set it aside and make the topping. Oh boy, here's the topping. This is 1/2 cup of butter, 3/4 cup of ground walnuts, 1/2 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of raw sugar. I'm blending this with a pastry blender. You can use fork, just like you do for pie crust. Here goes the topping. I preheated my toaster oven to 350. Popping the apple crisp into the toaster oven. Beautiful. That was 45 minutes at 350. The crust is beautifully done. The apples are fully cooked. It smells wonderful. I'm going to let this cool a little bit, then give it the taste test. How about a little cream with that? So easy and so good. Try this. Over 250 wonderful recipes in my Pop It in the Toaster Oven cookbook, which you can buy anywhere. The toaster oven is the key to comfort food and easy baking and cooking.